Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of managing and customizing notifications in the Yahoo Finance app. Whether you're looking to reduce interruptions or tailor alerts to your preferences, we've got you covered. First, open the Yahoo Finance app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top right. Then, select App Settings from the menu that appears. Finally, tap on Notifications. Here, you will see a variety of options, including high and low price alerts, earnings results, news, events, and more. Simply toggle off any type of notification you do not want to receive and keep the ones that are most useful to you. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, give the video a like, and share it with others. Thanks a lot for watching.